आयज इफीचो 7वो दीस. फाल्यां इफीचेर पड्डो पडटलो. हे फाटभुंयेर इफीक भेट दिवपी सिने मोगींनी आपलो ह्या वर्सा इफीचो अणभव सांगलो. तांच्यांनी इफीच्या आयोजनांचेर तोखणाय केली आनी ह्या फावट फामाद सिने कलाकारान आपली झलक दाखयल्ल्यान इफीक एक उर्बा आयली अशें तांच्यांनी सांगलें. पळयात.
I'm Divya from Media Connect Bangalore. Good evening everyone. So I'm heading a media company in Bangalore which is Media Connect. So I'm the founder and creator of the company. I'm so happy to participate in IFFI. So this is my second year participation. I'm so glad that I can be part of this every year, and this time also I could get to meet a lot of foreign delegates, Indian delegates from different places. I could able to understand a lot, and as a media house I understand that there is a huge scope in other states also for doing the shoot and other better projects, and it's a great platform because I'm into all the documentary making, corporate films and all. So for me it's a great platform to network with a lot of other movie directors, producers, creators. I really enjoyed my time over here, so it's a great platform for me. You could see outside the lot of lighting and also the stalls and the participants enjoying and networking. So I feel it's better than every year. It looks fresh for me every year. From my company also I am ready to invite other movie directors, movie creators. So if there is an young talent which comes with a good idea, so I am ready to give them a platform through my company as well. So because Media Connect is into all national, international projects, so they could also do a great work with us, and we also proudly work with different departments in the government. They can associate with us. So I am ready to give a good opportunity to all the filmmakers who are really looking for an opportunity.
Okay. I'm Altaf Jangir. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for IIC, the International Incubation Center, Mumbai. So I handle all the event portfolios, the foreign panorama and the Indian panorama. And this year we are screening more than 300 movies across for the domestic and the international lines across. And we are receiving 64 countries, the delegates from 64 countries. It's really nice. And we have done a lot. I know it was a task where it should be handled with utmost care and this thing, and the screening was on a proper schedules, and it was really fantastic, fun-loving event this year also. I thank all the team IFFI and even the ESG and NFDC officials also to have a good cooperation among themselves to make this event a success. Received the delegates in huge numbers, and even the celebrities as per the schedules, and even the screening of the international movies and the foreign panorama was well accepted by the people. As the year goes on, we are upgrading ourselves to the new standards. The festival is upgraded to the new standards.